Hey guys, what's up? Here it is me, Z3X Predator here, and I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit of a gameplay of a game that I want to play with you guys. It is gonna be call my Happy Bird or Floppy Bird again. Got if you can even see it, Happy Bird, Floppy Bird, and somewhere else over here. I don't know where it is. You know, I do not know where the fuck it is. Find it. Anyways, whoops. Anyways, I don't even know where I went. And Floppy Bird. So guys, we're set up with some Floppy Bird. It never loads. So let's do this. It gets harder too. I'm dead. Fuck. I'll drop the volume for you guys. Alright guys, enjoy. Oh shit! Fuck! That thing always pops up. I know guys, I suck at these games. See? I go too high. Fuck. See what I mean? I can't even get past one. Alright guys, we ain't playing that. Ooh. Boobies! Now this is Flappy Wings. Fuck! You're kidding me! You know I'm watching this off the recording. Okay, I set a record. I passed 2. There, you guys got it. My best is 32 only. If you guys like the video, subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more videos that I do. Alright guys, peace.